Hi, I'm Jordan with Karcher, and today we're going to be talking about the B40 Auto Scrubber with orbital technology. So let's go ahead and get started at the control panel. For the easy dial, we'll be able to select which cleaning function we used to use for that task. We have a transportation mode from getting from point A to point B, Eco mode, which is the most efficient clean using the least amount of resources, Daily clean mode, which has a little more water and more recovery, Scrub only, Recovery only mode, and Floor polishing mode. Utilizing the speed control dial, we can select which speed we want for the appropriate cleaning task. We simply press the paddles forward to go forward, in this direction if we wish to go backwards. Utilizing the Karcher Intelligent Key System, we can have a fully customizable cleaning experience using the information button. When using the B40, you'll notice the daily operator touch points, which are noted in yellow. This will help you to understand which pieces you'll be touching every time you use the unit. Here we see the yellow handle, which releases the squeegee assembly. We see the yellow clips, which hold the charging cord for the onboard charger, as well as the yellow cap, which is on the dirty water dump hose. Utilizing the water dial, we can select how much water we need for the cleaning task at hand. We also have the ability to use the home base kit to take extra tools with us for the cleaning task assigned. It's a 100% hygienic drain tank. The B40 has a true dual orbital movement. The outer perimeter is moving at 80 RPM, and internally it is moving at 1800 RPM. Well, this concludes our video on the B40 Orbital Scrubber. If there's any further questions, you can contact your local area Karcher manager. And until next time, keep it clean.